上晝10點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝10點，颱風暹芭集結喺香港之西南約310公里，即係北緯20.7度、東經111.7度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約16公里，移向廣東西部沿岸。暹芭現正最接近香港，喺本港西南300公里左右掠過。按照現時路徑，暹芭會喺下午至黃昏喺湛江附近登陸。本港多處地區仍然吹烈風，離岸及高地間中吹暴風。暹芭嘅烈風區喺下午初時仍然會持續影響珠江口一帶。8號烈風或暴風信號將於下午4時前維持。與暹芭相關嘅雨帶會為珠江口一帶間中帶嚟大驟雨及猛烈陣風。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲及塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時98、82及70公里，最高陣風分別為每小時136、98及82公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
10 a.m. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 southeast gale storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 10 a.m., Typhoon Chaba was centered about 310 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.7 degrees north, 111.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 16 kilometers per hour, towards the coast of western Guangdong. Chaba is currently closest to Hong Kong, skirting about 300 kilometers to the southwest of the territory. According to his current track, Chaba will make landfall near Zhanjiang this afternoon to this evening. Gale force winds are still affecting many places in the territory, while winds occasionally reach storm force offshore and on high ground. Gales associated with Chaba will continue to affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary in the early afternoon. The number 8 gale storm signal will remain in force before 4 p.m. The rain bands associated with Chaba will continue to bring occasional heavy showers and violent gusts to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded in Gongping, Chungshou and Tap Moon were 98, 82 and 70 km per hour, with maximum gusts 136, 98, and 82 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio for the latest weather information broadcast in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。